Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching from. This is Ravindra and I am presenting you the new product that I have designed recently, and I am sharing it with you on this podcast so that you see what the process is and what had been going through since a few months of work. So without getting into so much of details in the verbal, I'll get into the product presentation directly. So here is the product. Okay, so this is the one that I had been working on, and I'll try to explain you what this is. Actually, this is a dispenser, an automatic dispenser that I had designed using Fusion 360, 3D printing and Arduino Pro Mini. So I'll show you all of these things and the function prototype in just 1 minute. So here is the product that I had been talking up, and let me explain you the details about this. So the unique shape of the product is, can you recognize it? The shape represents the Central Vista project that is being developed for India, the new Indian Parliament. So this is the shape, and unexpectedly I encountered on this while optimizing the design. It came up like this. Then I have added all the other parts, which is a LED blinking for the signal, like it is standby mode, and there is the sensor module which actually detects the proximity of sensing, and then there is the dispensing unit. So liquid is pulled into this section and released from this. So here is the section where I have given the, where you can pull out the string, and this is the suction. So now you have got many sanitizers available off the shelf in supermarkets. You can get any of them, whatever bottle that fits to this opening, you can utilize it right here. So that is the unique nature. So this comes under the feature called one head, any body. So that is the case. So you can take this head and keep it on anything, and the dispenser starts working just by switching on the unit. Okay, so this is a carry-on. It does have double 18650 batteries, which are 4400 mAh, and it has got a microcontroller design, and it has been programmed so that dispensing happens only one time, and unless you give a fresh sense, it won't dispense anything. So there are many more other things also. So let me show you the functional demo of it. I have one bottle lying around my home, and I have got this head. So I'm going to just remove this sprayer, and I'm going to simply throw this, and that's it. It just fits like that. Now I just have to enable this. System is running, and you can see the feedback by the blinking red LED for every 2 seconds. So now it is working. So the moment I obstruct it, it dispenses the liquid. So only one dispense for one sense. So now I will get back to this. That's it. So only one sense, and no matter how long you hold, it will not dispense more than that. That is the unique feature. So you can hold your hand there for 1 hour also, but it won't budge. So it is locked up now. So you have to remove, and it senses back, and it comes to life, and it will work back again. So this is the one feature. Now I have told you there is a button, specific button right there. So it is hidden. I made it just to make sure that you don't touch it more often. I can place it anywhere also, but this is the design as of now. So I may change it into the production version. So now I will say, if I press once, the LED blinks 3 times in red. It signifies that it is in 300 milliseconds mode, which is the starting. Now if I press on twice, so now it is in green mode. So which means if I dispense, it will dispense more liquid. So that is about 600 milliseconds. Now if I hold it for quite a long time, you will see 3 blinks in blue, which means it is about 1600 milliseconds, which will dispense a lot more liquid. So that is the thing. And if you don't want it, you can switch back to original state. Now it is in back to 300 milliseconds. So you can cycle and you can use this product on anything. So you can use this body to be anything, and you can use the liquid also anything. A jelly liquid can also be handled by this if the mode is set to appropriate, that is 1600 milliseconds. Okay. Let me take the off-shelf sanitizer, which is a different liquid and a different body, right to this thing. So here is another container I have got from a supermarket. You can find it anywhere, and I can simply take it out. It's a bit, you can see it is a bit jelly. You can simply take it out, simply place this. It is ready. So highly viscous liquid or partly viscous liquid, so whichever you would like, you can use it by just switching the mode. So for this you need to have a longer run. So I am just going to switch it into longer mode. So 3 blinks. Now it is ready. So you can use anything, any container, any liquid. So that is how the whole thing is designed. And the unique feature about this is it does any cell phone charger will do with micro USB charging, and it can be charged. And this is actually coming straight from the 3D print without any post processing. So I haven't done any kind of clearing or anything, and you can see I have glued it. So I am going to work on all of those open areas and make the design changes and finalize this and get this to you. Okay guys, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching this video and looking at the product. If you want to suggest anything or give a feedback or input that you would like to have as part of this thing, please do share with me, and I will be looking at it and try to implement it if it is possible and if it is interesting or challenging. So that is from my end. We'll meet back sometime later once I have got everything in place and ready for sharing with you. So signing off for today, Ravindra. Thank you.